This video is the continuation of that stage 1, which is known as the infancy period of a child. Then to move forward with how we can situate the thing on trust vis-a-vis with mistrust. Okay, so it is the parents' responsibility to provide the love, care, the needed basic foods, comfort, all the required responsibilities from the parents to that toddler, the infant. Okay, so once that the child or that baby receives all those required responsibilities and obligations from the parents, then the child will grow up with faith to his parents, of course. On the other side of the coin is that once the child or the infant did not fully satisfied with how his parents cared for him, he will develop the so-called anxiety, fear, emotional attachment from his mother or parent, because what we can connect on how the parent had been showing such negligence to the infant by letting him cry during the time that the infant is needing his parents. So with that kind of situation, there will be a personality crisis that would be developed to the infant. So that is why it is advised by the psychologists that this kind of problem should be treated as early as the child has not reached the next stage of his age. Okay. That personality crisis, if cannot be resolved, then another personality crisis will be added to his personality, because the first crisis or problem has not been resolved. Okay. When the child reaches the age 1 to 3 years, okay, the possible personality crisis that would arise in here would be the child would develop that shame in him, losing his confidence. The child will be doubting people around him, meaning to say the child will become aloof from the people whom he feels that these people are untrustable. Okay, so on the other side of the picture is when the child or when the toddler grew up very well. The care, love, and comforts he received from his parents and other adults around him are fully satisfied, then there is that positive effect